Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So in your last video we discussed about nature and natural things. Yes or no children? Yes. Can you give me some examples of natural things? Yes. Sky, trees, your stars, waterfall, mountains, birds, animals. These all are called as your what? Natural things. Yes or no? And what is a nature? The world of these natural things is called as nature. Okay children? So, man has not created the nature. Okay, the things that cannot be made by man are called natural things. And the world of natural things is called as nature children. Okay, so we have discussed these all things. Now today we will discuss about living things and non-living things children. Okay. So, life and living things. So, today our topic is life and living things. Right? So, we have seen nature and natural things. Let us know about life and living things. So, before explaining you about life and living things, let's see one picture. Okay? So, observe the changes in the pictures below. So, what is this picture? Can you tell me? Yes, this is a seed. Yes or no? Yes. So, if you will plant the seed and if you will water this, then what it will become? It will grow into a baby plant. Yes or no? Yes. And if you will take care of this, if you will give water and what? If sunlight falls on this, then what happens? It will become a big tree. Have you seen children? Yes. You might have seen so many trees and plants around you. So can you tell me what is the change between these all things? Yes, a seed, what becomes a plant, then it grows into a tree children. Okay, so let's read what it is given. A seed grows into a baby plant. A baby plant grows into a tree. Okay children, so what you have seen here, from a seed grows into a baby plant grows into a tree. Okay, so you try this one at your home, okay, with your parents. So try to put the seed in the soil and water it and see whether that is growing or not. And children, another example I can give you, have you seen sprouts? You ask your mother how she is making that sprouts, right? So first of all, what we have to do, we have to soak that. And you have seen that in sprouts, one small plant like will be coming, right? So that particular thing is what? It shows that the seed grows into a little baby plant. Okay. So then that will become what? A big tree or whatever the things. Okay. So a seed grows into a baby plant grows into a big tree children. Okay. So now, things that grow are said to have life. Okay. Can you say your pencil have life? No, right? Why? Because it doesn't grow. Yes or no, children? So, things that grow are said to have life. Like what? Like a seed which grows into a baby plant which grows into a big tree. All the trees and plants have life. Why? Because they grow children. Okay. Now let's see some more example of the things which have life. So children, you can see, I think you have seen an egg, right? So an egg hatches. That means it gives a small chick. Yes or no? So an egg hatches means what? A chick comes out of the egg, right? So egg hatches into a chick. And a chick grows into a hen. Yes or no? And this is a cycle. Yes or no? Yes. Things like animals not only grow but also move. Yes or no children? In the previous example we have seen that the tree grows. So that's why we say that this have life. Similarly, animals, they not only grow but they also can move. Yes? Yes or no? So like that, the things like animals and plants which can grow have life, and animals can what? Animals can move also children. Okay. Now let's see some more examples of living and non-living things. So let me tell you what is living thing. So the things that grow and move are said to have life. Okay, children? So which things are said to have life? The things that grow and move are said to have life. So as I gave you an example, pencil don't have life. Why? Because it doesn't move and it doesn't grow also. Yeah, if you will move it, then only it will move. By itself, it cannot move. Yes or no? Yes. Now your cycle, does your cycle grow? No, right? So it also don't have life. Your cycle, pencil, these all don't have life. But plants, trees, animals have life. Yes. Now, plants have life, but they do not move on their own. Have you seen trees or plants moving? No, but still they have life. Why? Because it grows. Yes or no? So the things which grow are called as what? Living things. And what? And some of the living things can move also. Like what? The animals and human beings. Yes or no? Yes. So plants have life, but they do not move on their own. Now, then what are the things that have life called? So let's see. The things that have life are called living things. So which things have life? Which can grow and move? Here plant or tree. Okay, example is tree. Why? Because it cannot move but it grows. Yes or no? So that's why tree is an example of living things. Can you give me some more examples? Yes, here are some more examples. So here birds and animals, all the birds and animals comes under your living things, children. Okay. So why? Because they grow and they move also. Okay. Yes. And what about the human beings? Yes, children, they also grow and they can move themselves. Now, in the opposite side, we have things that do not have life are called non-living things, children. So as I said, your life means what? That means it doesn't grow and it don't move also. Okay. So can you give me examples? Yes. So this is rock. So in example of non-living things, children, you can give the example of rock. Have you seen rock growing? No, right? And have you seen rock moving? No, right? And another example I gave you of pencil. Does the pencil grows? No, right? So that's why your pencil, your cycle or whatever the things are there, that all are coming under your what? Non-living things. And next what? Your water. Water is also non-living. Does it grow? No, right? So another example is your mountain, children. Okay? So have you seen mountain moving? No. And does it grow? No, mountain cannot grow. Yes or no? So, children, once again, so things that have life are called living things. That means the things which grow and your what? Which moves are called as your what? Living things. And the things that do not have life are called non-living things. That means that doesn't grow and what? It doesn't move also. Okay, so examples of living things are your trees, plants, animals, birds, human beings, insects, etc. And the examples of your non-living things are rock, pencil, cycle or whatever the things are there. Water and mountain are also coming under your non-living things, children. Okay, so living and non-living things are natural things. Okay, so what your living and non-living things are natural things. That means natural things means what? Which are not made by human beings. Okay. So hope you understood about this one. In the next class we will discuss about your living things and non-living things with more examples and with the features of these two. Okay, children. So read the lesson.